Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to fix low memory issue on Roblox. First, unlock your phone so everything is ready. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen to see all running apps. Close all background apps one by one to free up memory. So this step helps Roblox get more space to run smoothly. Now check your phone for apps you don't use anymore. Press and hold any unnecessary app until options appear. Tap on Remove App or delete it to free storage space. Honestly, this helps a lot when your phone gets full. If the issue still continues, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn it back on again. This refreshes your system and fixes many memory issues. So guys, that's how you can fix low memory issue on Roblox easily. Just follow these steps and your game will run much smoother. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more helpful tutorials.